I'm Lauren from Taste Better from Scratch, where I share easy to make recipes that are all made from scratch. Do you love pumpkin pie like I do? It's the quintessential fall dessert, and in my opinion, it's the easiest to make of all the pies. So let's get baking. All right, the most important part of any pie is the pie crust. I've already made my favorite easy pie crust recipe that I'm gonna link to in the description. You can use store-bought if you want to. This pie is not baked and it's ready for the pie filling. This is the old-fashioned classic recipe from Libby's. We're using 1 can of Libby's pumpkin puree. We're using 1 can of evaporated milk. We're gonna add our pumpkin to a mixing bowl. If you want to use homemade pumpkin puree, I also have a recipe for that I will link to. We're gonna mix this pumpkin with 2 eggs. I have 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to add to that some cinnamon, salt, ginger, and cloves. You can add this to your pumpkin mixture. Now we're going to stir in 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. That's it. This is the easiest recipe. I usually always have what I need for it, and even my kids could make this. Stir until it's nice and smooth and well combined, and then we'll add it to our pie dish. You can crimp the edges of the pie if you want. I like to use my 2 index fingers and press my thumb in between them to just create a cute fluted edge. We're going to place this in the oven at 425 degrees for the first 15 minutes, then lower the oven temperature to 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes until it's done. Check for doneness by giving the pie a gentle wiggle. The center may jiggle just a tiny bit, or it's done when a sharp knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool it completely on a wire cooling rack before serving. Look how beautiful this turned out. It's silky and smooth, there's no cracks on the top, the crust is nice and golden brown. Did I mention I love pie? Oh, let's cut into this. This is so silky smooth, I can just tell as I'm cutting it. It's beautiful. I love serving it plain with a little scoop of whipped cream on top, or if you want to take it to the next level, you could add my caramel pecan topping. Thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos that taste better from scratch.